To post your introduction, you first need to be in the Notice a Note Google Classroom. Once you're here, you will click where it says Share Something with your class. You will type in your introduction. Now to post my meme, I'm going to hit this little paperclip to add an attachment. And I'm going to select files from my computer. And I have my meme right here, so I'm going to hit open. And then I'm going to click upload. And then my meme will show here. And then I'm going to hit post. And then everyone can see it. So that's how you post your introduction.